What's going on, guys? It has been a little while since I've given you guys an update video on my injury, so I thought I would do that real quick, and then I will end the video with some clips of just kind of my progress over these last several weeks. But right now, currently, I am 4 months out from my Achilles rupture, and then I am currently about 3.5 months out from my surgery. So I think the last video I just got put in the boot and I was still on crutches. So basically I got to ditch the crutches after a few weeks. Then I was just in the boot full weight bearing, and then I was in the boot full weight bearing for quite a while. And then this past week I was able to completely ditch my boot. So I am no longer in my boot. I am 100% in shoes. The current challenge right now is just being able to walk barefoot. Currently I'm practicing just kind of doing that, still just kind of regaining strength and being able to walk normally without a limp. And then just hopefully soon I'll be able to comfortably walk, on the mat during like classes, stuff like that. Even just at home, walking barefoot a little more comfortably. That's kind of the next challenge as far as just getting back to just kind of normal everyday activities. As far as my martial arts training, I am doing boxing stuff. I am also cleared to do some light kicking. Not really pushing the kicking too much right now, just really focusing on just kind of regaining my strength and mobility in my injured leg, and then just kind of just slowly just getting used to just kind of the motions of kicking again. The main kind of martial arts training I'm doing right now is just boxing. Really enjoying just kind of working on my hands a little bit, working on getting a little bit more mobility with that, and then hopefully soon as I regain strength in my legs some more, then it will kind of translate a little bit easier into kicking. So that's kind of the update right now. In the next couple weeks at physical therapy, I will get to start introducing some light jogging as long as my push-off strength just kind of keeps getting better. So really looking forward to that. I will try to update you guys a little bit more over these next few weeks, especially now that I am able to do more, getting a little bit more mobile, but just focus on just kind of regaining strength, mobility, slowly getting back to just kind of my normal everyday stuff. But thank you all so much for watching. Thank you so much for all the continued support. I'm gonna let the rest of this video play out, just kind of showing my progress, just from the beginning of my injury and then just kind of where I'm at now. So hope y'all enjoy the rest of the video. I'll see you guys later.
Can I be your star tonight? You fill my soul with light the day we met. I don't wanna leave your side. Have me by your side when the sun sets. Let's leave for an eternity. We'll sail across the lights beyond the sky. I'll be with you eternally. I'm an addict for your love, it keeps me high. Be your star tonight. You fill my soul with light the day we met. I don't wanna leave your side. Have me by your side.